Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade rose sugar. The first thing that you're going to need is a cute 500-gram jar, 15 grams of fresh or dried rose petals, 200 grams of caster sugar, and a mini food processor or spice grinder. First, you're going to add the rose petals in the food processor gradually. I say gradually because my food processor was manual, so adding all of them in one go was it made it a bit hard for me to blend it. And you will see I will try to take them out later. By the way, you don't want to blend or grind the petals into a powder. You merely just want to bring out the flavor of the roses, so you just want to blend them into small flakes. And now that that's done, you want to add that into your sugar. You can add it gradually or all of them in one go, it's completely up to you. And then we're going to mix it really well. Now we're going to add it into the jar. And as I close it, you'll see that I realized that I hadn't added the rest of the rose petals, so I'm gonna do that right now. And blend it just a little bit more. Make sure it doesn't spill. I mean, it's already spilled everywhere anyway, so. And then we're gonna mix it once again in the jar. And now we're going to close the jar, and now it's done. And this is the end result. And that's it, that's all you have to do. So for optimal flavor, I would recommend you to wait 3 weeks before use and keep this in an airtight container for up to 6 months. And that's it, that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe, and I will see you next time. Bye!